train thundered down the valley, belching sparks and smoke. The drunkard in the alley said this time it is no joke. The preacher dropped his Bible, pulled on his coat and hat, stood on the steps of his little white church and said, I never seen a train like that. I've never seen a train like that. It was black and it was shiny, and its smoke was fiery red, and its whistle with its whining was loud enough to wake the dead. It slowed into the station with a squealing of its brakes. The station master saw it coming, and he began to shake, and he began to shake. Black train rolling down the cold steel track. You don't need no round-trip ticket. This black train ain't coming back. Black train ain't coming back. The train said, I'm here for a reckoning, for your gluttony and greed, and for every innocent being that you made cry out and bleed. I gave you many chances, but you turned away. Now the bill, it has come due, and it's your time to pay. It's your time to pay. It's too late for tears and anger. No bargain can be struck. You placed your bets and you doubled down. Now your table's out of luck. Your table's out of luck. Black train rolling down the cold steel track. You don't need no round-trip ticket. This black train ain't coming back. Black train ain't coming back. When all the passengers were boarded, the preacher was the last. The station master said, you must get on, your time has come to pass. He posted the destination on the way to the end of the line. Looked down at his gold watch and said, well, we've run out of time. We've run out of time. This black train knows no faces, no names, no fame, no shame. For the fate that is upon us, each of us is to blame. Each of us is to blame. Black train rolling down the cold steel track. You don't need no round-trip ticket. This black train ain't coming back. Black train ain't coming back.